pahiram. Ngayon babawiin na lang. Bakit kailangan pa ibigin kita kung bukas naman wala ka na? Wag na lang sana na magpaalam pa. Sasaktan mo lang ako at luluha. Puso ko ay aasahan na muli ay magsasama. Ang tanging alam ko ay mahal kita. Pag-ibig mo ba pahiram? Ngayon babawiin na lang. Bakit kailangan pa ibigin kita kung bukas na may wala ka na? Wag na lang sana na magpaalam pa. Sasaktan mo lang ako at luluha. Puso ko ay aasahan na muli ay magsasama. Ang tanging alam ko ay mahal kita. Puso ko ay aasahan na muli ay magsasama. Ang tanging alam ko ay mahal kita.
Leslie.
Alam mo, ang galing-galing mo naman ngayong umaga. And welcome to Rise and Shine, Pilipinas.
Alam mo, sobre. Kanina
Parang nainggit ka na.
Ang galing eh.
Was that your original song?
Yes, the one that I sang just now is my original song. It's called
Ang
Ang
ganda.
Tanging Alam Ko. Under Police Records, it's written, composed, and arranged by Mr. Tito Kayamanda, a hitmaker.
Wow.
Ilan taon ka na, Grishel?
I am 18 po.
Batang-bata.
Pero yung hugot niya sa pagkanta, Les,
Oo
talagang...
nga, parang ang dami mo nang napagdaanan.
Ganun po.
Oo,
Ganun
no?
ba? So, ano yung naging, kamusta yung journey mo sa pagkanta, Grishel?
It's been great. I've met
Oo.
people in the music industry
Alright.
who has mentored me, guided me, and I continuously learn from them, and I'm still learning from them. And not only that, I have met so many amazing people who has become my friends.
Alam mo, medyo kahawig mo si Alodia. No, medyo kahawig niya si Alodia because of your hair and your aura as well. Anyway, may mga na-release ka ng mga ilang kanta. Pwede mo bang i-share sa amin yung about saan ba yung mga yun? Anong inspiration?
That's actually the first song that I have ever released.
First ever.
Apo.
Oh, okay.
New release just this year.
So, saan siya pwedeng mapakinggan? May music video na ba to na pwede mapanood?
You can listen to the song. It's on Spotify, YouTube Music, YouTube, everything po.
Okay. Sa lahat ng
All
online
streaming
streaming.
Siguro tatanungin din natin kung may mga gigs ka ba or may
Yes.
social media ka ba kung saan ka pwedeng i-follow ng mga ka-RSP?
I will be the Young Lady Elvis at Makati, and I have my regular gigs or shows in Las Piñas in BF Resort. And for the rest of the shows and more details and information, you could see my social media pages,
Alright.
social media accounts. That's Rachel Hizon at GRACIELHIZON.
Ayun. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Sa napakagandang performance, syempre, at sa pagbabahagi ng iyong talent dito sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas, Rachel Hizon. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rachel.